Hi everyone, Ashley Bryan here from SmallBizToolbox.com.au. I'm now going to spend a minute or two and give you a very quick rundown on the tools and resources you can access behind the scenes once you become a member of SmallBizToolbox.com.au. So I'm going to go through it quite quickly, straight into it. So all of the information you can access are called resources, and they are grouped under various types from blog posts and articles through to guides, ebooks, AI tools, and human-assisted premium reports, and soon to come, online courses. So straight into it so you can see what these various resources are. Blog posts and articles are pretty self-explanatory. That's informational content that you can consume. A blog post is free to anyone who accesses the website. Articles are for paid members only and perhaps have a bit more of a focus around various activities and specific activities for small business owners. Let's look straight into what a guide is. A guide is a how-to. It's a step-by-step process that helps you undertake a certain task related to your small business. For instance, if you're using Google Analytics and you want to block a domain from being a referrer in your analytics, it would give you a step-by-step process on how to do that, complete with screenshots and arrows pointing at where you've got to click. I've been very detailed with these so that nothing is left to chance and every step is accounted for, because there's nothing more frustrating than going through a process or following some instructions and a bit of it's missing and you don't know how to do it. So I've tried to be very thorough with these guides, they're how-tos. Okay, straight over to ebooks. These are quite self-explanatory. You can access ebooks through the website, read a bit about it, read the ebook inside the page. There, it's embedded, or download it and read it later. So that's ebooks for you. Straight into the AI tools. You can use these AI tools, which will work very much like ChatGPT. It'll help you undertake a certain activity and walk you through it and help you do it. So, for instance, if you want to generate an image, you'll have a tool, and all these AI tools formatted very similarly. The tool is embedded in the page like that. You will interact with it, and I've designed these similar to the guides. It's going to step you through and gather information from you in order to give the best possible result. So for instance, the first thing this AI image creator will do is ask you, do you want photorealistic, abstract, and various other types of information. So you'd answer it and move on to the next step. And it would then ask you for the next part of it. Do you want portrait or landscape? So I list the questions that, or the inputs required below, so that you can prepare before you start the tool, and you can have a think about what you need, and it gives examples about how things look and various things. So all of the AI tools will work in a similar fashion. Bit of introduction, the tool is there, you interact with it, it'll step it through to give a really good result, and these work really well. I'm really happy with them. Okay, that's the AI tools. Human-assisted reports, these are more advanced reports that require some sort of human intervention. So this Google rankings report, if you're interested in getting that, you'd get a bit of information. You get to see a sample of what the report is there, and you get the features, what you're going to get. And if you want to get that report, you'd fill in the form and order it, and then that would be set up by a human, and you get that through via email. So you can access all these resources. They're grouped in here. Your membership level determines what you get access to. So it's sort of intuitive. Human Assist is the most advanced. So you sign up for that. It's an ultimate member, but you get access to everything below it. If you want to just get the AI tools, you're a premium member. You get the AI tools and everything below it. If you want to get the articles, the ebooks, and the guides, all members get those. It's a basic membership. Blog posts are free. So that's the way that works. You sign up. Should you be using the website and you think, there's a resource that I could use, that you could use or would find helpful, you can submit a request and I'll do my best to build it for you in whatever format is most suitable, whether it be a guide or an AI tool. So I'm happy to do that. There's various search boxes up here that help you find resources. There's an AI assistant here that will step you through it and hold your hand in terms of finding resources. And I will be adding resources to this all the time, whether it be ebooks, guides, AI tools, human-generated resources. It'll be very proactively developed with new content going in there all the time so that it doesn't become stale. So there it is. I hope that helps, and let me know if you need any more information through the contact button at the bottom. Thanks a lot. Bye.